Yeah, the scamming is real, and to be honest, it's not going away because it's been around. It's been around, and it's evolved over time as technology has evolved. Like back in the day, it used to be 3 card man, and so out of half for three, big up whoever remember that, right? It used to be 3 card man. I do him thing. These days, it's online. The 3 card man, put on him thing and realize that, hey, I can just sit down and just go online and do something different. So the thing though, because scamming, I believe, will always be here among us in some way, shape, or form. Let's then think about, all right, how do we stay wise to the thing and protect our money that we work so hard for? Right? After my work, my 9 to 5, and Keisha said me for the side hustle, and me I do my side hustle. I'm now bringing in money. How do I protect that? The main thing, couple of things. One, you have to monitor your account. You have to monitor your accounts. Transaction go through, you have the alert, transaction alerts, you're monitoring your account, monitor it like a hawk. It's your money at the end of the day, your money, your responsibility. My money, my responsibility. I have to be that person, right? And I speak a lot about trust but verify. We trust the financial system. I trust you, I trust you. I trust you with my money, but me go verify where I do.